Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, this time of year I feel like a weather person that I should have a weather map behind me where I point where it's raining and all this type of forecast, because basically we're trading weather, and yesterday at noon we saw the weather maps extended models drier for next week, and I think the market took a little weather premium out of prices. And this morning that same European model has it drier next week. The interesting thing is the American model follows up weekend rains this weekend with rains next week. And so Monday's forecast will probably be pretty important for the momentum of the marketplace. As far as rains between now and then, over the weekend, much of the plains, Midwest, and Delta is going to see somewhere between 4 and 6 inches of rain. Heaviest amounts might be in Arkansas, Missouri, Southern Illinois, and Indiana could see 6 to 7 inches of rain. And that could delay as far as plantings there, but if the extended forecast is drier, the market's not going to be too concerned about that. We also note that because of this change in the weather and because of talk that yesterday the United States President may sign an executive order that would start the process of pulling U.S. out of NAFTA. We saw prices go in beans below the 960 support level. In corn, we're back below all the key moving average. In wheat, we're actually still above contract lows, but below initial resistance. We've got weekly export sales today. We're expected to see 700 to 900,000 tons of corn, 250 to 450 beans, and 300 to 500 wheat. The interesting thing about the numbers this week and maybe next week is that we are competitive as a seller to world buyers in corn, beans, and in wheat. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, corn, they bought some soybean oil, and we continue to see the open interest in the May contracts decline. And so, you know, it's not the best idea to try to keep positions through first notice day in any expiring grain contract. Outside markets, crude has turned sharply lower, gold's a little bit higher, and U.S. stocks should open up a little bit higher. So expect a choppy trade. It is a weather market. We'll be a lot smarter on Monday as far as the 2-week forecast is than we are today, and we'll see what the export sales has to say. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.